Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are excited to introduce some powerful new features in Document Embedder plugin. We have added new document viewers, improved performance and reliability, introduced more customization options, and made editing even easier in the block editor. So let's take a look at what's new. If you go to the Add New Doc and upload a document. Okay, so one of the biggest additions in this update is our new document viewers. You can now choose from multiple viewing experiences, depending on how you want your documents to be presented. First, we have the custom PDF viewer. It provides a clean, modern reading experience with built-in controls, like making it perfect for documents that users needs to read directly on your websites. We have also added the flipbook viewer. Instead of scrolling through pages, visitors can flip through documents just like a real book or like a real magazines, creating a more interactive and engaging reading experience. And lastly, another new one is called the slider viewer. This viewer lets users navigate through document pages one at a time using multiple slider controls, making presentations and image-based documents much easier to browse to your website. Along with these viewers, we have added more control options for these individual viewers, like if you select custom PDF or flipbook or slider, you will get different controls in these control options. So if you go to the control sections, you'll see there are a lot of options, the reader mode, toggle thumbnails, sidebar open, horizontal scroll bar, load latest version, initial page, default zoom, enable full screen button, on-demand page rendering. This one improves performance on long PDFs by rendering only nearby pages on your website. So this is the controls. You will get different controls. If you select flipbook or slider, you'll definitely get every options or controls for these individual viewers. We have also made major improvements behind the scenes to make document loading faster and more reliable. If you go to the performance and reliability sections, you'll get there two options: auto fallback if Google viewers fails to load, so that your documents never fails to embed; lazy load options, so that now your documents load only when they are needed, which helps improve page speed and overall website performance. If you go to the modal pop-up or lightbox options and enable this toggle, you now have multiple ways to open your documents, whether from a button, whether from a text or other trigger options. Plus, you can customize the pop-up experience to better match your website designs and visitors' needs. Creating document embeds is now even easier. Simply just add the block called Document Embed and choose your documents and customize everything while seeing a live preview. This means you can build and adjust your document viewer without constantly switching between the editor and the front end. So this makes your building so easy, right? Okay, so that's everything included in this update. Whether you are looking for more viewing options, better performance, or an easier editing experience, this release has really something for everyone. So if you're already using Document Embedder plugin, all you have to do is just update the plugin and you'll get all of this. So Give these new features a try. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next update.